All right. In a game of World's Worst, have you played this, Taylor?
Oh, I think so, yes.
We give you an occupation, and then you come out and give us the world's worst person at
Yes.
this. All right. World's worst dentist.
We've already got this.
Achoo! I'm so sorry I sneezed in your mouth.
That was really good. That's disgusting. Go.
Whoops, wrong one.
Okay.
Gotta walk in the center stage,
Okay, don't go
Tato.
like here. You don't go like this. Here,
Wrong
Tato.
one.
Blah, 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 blah. You go here.
But
Take
I don't want
center
to take 10
stage.
minutes to walk out.
You have to. Run out then. Okay.
Whoops, wrong one. Let me pull another.
Okay, hold on. She's not done with her. Here's what you have. Oops, wrong one. Let's pull another. Now you're talking to these guys.
Yeah, we don't want to talk to you.
Oops, wrong one. Let's pull another. Out to the audience. Do it again. Stop. Pause. Go.
Whoops, wrong one. Let's pull another.
Good. There's spelling bee time. We're going to do a game of spelling bee. We got the nerds and the jocks.
Maybe the jocks since I've
You can be
never
the
been
jocks. You guys are the nerds.
Yes, I'm the nerd.
Let's do one syllable cat. Okay, nerds, the word is cat.
Cat. C.
A.
E.
Cat.
And
Animal. There.
likes.
Catnip.
Cat.
Good. That was excellent. The word is get the character. Stop laughing. The word is dog. Ready?
Dog. D.
Oh. G.
Dog. And animal.
That eats poop.
Dog.
All right, you guys got to take it. Nice job. Let's do. We're gonna go another word. Here we go. We're gonna go with tree. Nerds.
Tree.
T.
R.
E. E.
Tree. A plant.
That
Grows.
from the
Ground. And
likes.
water. Tree.
Man, these seats great or what? Right behind the lion's cage, too. And just a short walk from the vomitorium.
Sir, we don't allow food to be brought into the Coliseum.
What? I don't have any ice for you.
Thanks a bunch. Now I can finally get my aged mother that blood letting she needs.
Who's up in the finale? What the heck is this?
It's a candy mint. You're driving me insane by calling it a candy mint. I've told you once, I've told you 1,000 times. It is a breath mint.
Is this all the food you got?
A 3.
Take me out to the slaughter. Take me out for some gore. Buy me some goat's meat and pig eyes to crunch. I don't care if I soon lose my lunch. Let me root for the Lions. If they don't win, well they will. For it's chomp, tear, and eat them, they're done at the old